Hey everybody, this week I wanted to talk about substandard insurance companies. Substandard insurance companies are companies that insure people who are really high risk. So somebody that's already got a bunch of tickets, they've had a bunch of accidents, they get a DUI, they've been dropped by a good insurance carrier, and now they have to get insurance by law in the state of Illinois, so they end up with what's called a substandard insurance company. How do you know if you've been hit by somebody with a substandard insurance company? Well, just this past week we had a client come in and they came in with an estimate, and the labor rate charges on this estimate were $24 an hour. Currently, the good insurance companies are paying $52 to $60 an hour in labor. So once you get that estimate, if the dollar amounts are way low, and usually they pay about 50 cents on the dollar, then that tells you it's a substandard insurance company. Now, if you've been hit with somebody who's got a substandard insurance, this is what you can do. You can file a claim through your insurance. They will tell you that they can send it to a shop where somebody's going to fix that car at $25 an hour. But I can tell you, for most of us, our cars are our second largest investment. So you certainly don't want to be spending that kind of repair on a car that's that expensive. So if you want a quality repair, you simply file a claim through your insurance. Now, you're going to have to pay your deductible because it's going to be a claim on your insurance initially. But then your insurance will sue the substandard insurance company. At that point, when that happens, they're going to get their money back, including your deductible, and you're going to get your deductible back. And it will not be a claim on your insurance because they're going to get their money back from the other party. Another thing I tell people that's a really good indicator, if it's got American in the title, it's probably a substandard insurance company. American Ambassador, American Family, American Eagle, the general commercials, those are all substandard insurance companies. So if you get hit with somebody that's got insurance and American's in the title, your best plan is to go through your insurance, pay your deductible, get a quality repair and protect that investment, and then let your insurance company's lawyers and all the things you pay premiums for to go sue that substandard insurance company and get your money back. Be safe and have a great week.